Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Lema Dental Clinic in Istanbul, Turkey. If you are considering traveling abroad for dental implants, you might be wondering how to start the process without leaving the comfort of your home. In today's videos, which is a step 2 of how to complete dental implants in Turkey guide, we're going to walk you through exactly how our free online consultation works and how we plan your smile journey remotely. Making the first contact. Getting started is incredibly easy. The entire process begins with a simple message. You can reach out to us through our website, social media, or directly via WhatsApp. Once you say hello, you will be immediately contacted with one of our friendly, fluent-speaking patient coordinators who will be your dedicated guide through your entire journey. Taking the right photos. To give our medical team a clear idea of your current dental situation, your coordinator will ask you for a few basic photos of your teeth. You don't need professional equipment for this. A simple smartphone camera works perfectly. We will provide you with easy instructions of how to take your best dental pictures from different angles so our doctors can see your smile clearly. The importance of x-rays. For dental implants, photos alone are not enough because we need to check your bone structure. Your coordinator will ask for a recent panoramic x-ray. If you don't have one, you can easily get this taken at a local dentist or imaging center in your home country and send it to us digitally. This is a crucial step for a safe and accurate medical assessment. The medical assessment. Once we receive your photos and x-rays, your files are sent directly to our team of specialized oral surgeons and prosthodontists. Our doctors will carefully analyze your bone density, missing teeth, the overall oral health to determine the safest and most effective implant strategy specifically tailored to your anatomy. Your personalized treatment plan. After the medical review, your coordinator will present you with a comparative personalized treatment plan. This plan will clearly explain the clinical steps, the types of material we recommend, how many implants are needed, and the overall time frame required to complete your healthy new smile. Discussing the timeline and logistics. Dental implants typically require 2 separate visits to Istanbul. One is for the surgical placement and the later visit for permanent crowns. During your online consultation, your coordinator will explain the necessary healing time between these visits and help you understand the travel logistics so you can plan your calendar comfortably. A pressure-free experience. It is completely normal to have a lot of questions at this stage. Our online consultations are designed to be highly informative and entirely pressure-free. You can ask about the materials, the surgical techniques, the recovery process, the travel details. We want you to feel 100% confident and informed before you even book a flight. The goal of a free online consultation is to bridge the distance and give you a professional medical guidance right from your living room. The team at Lema Dental Clinic is always ready to listen to your needs and design your dream smile. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave any questions you have in the comments below. Join us in step 3, where you will discuss booking flights and VIP packages. Ready to do the next steps? Click at the link in the description. Get your free consultation in 5 minutes. We're waiting for you.